Today I'm going to be making a homemade lemonade recipe. It's a perfect refreshing drink for summer. So the first thing we're going to do is make a simple syrup. Let's get started. So I've just measured out 150 grams of sugar, which is 3/4 cups if you're using cups, and I've got 1 cup of water. So to begin, I'm going to add the cup of water, put the heat on, and then I'm going to add my sugar. And then you've got to stir the mixture well so that the sugar dissolves. Whilst the water and sugar is heating up, we can start to squeeze our lemons. So now we're going to need to squeeze 1 cup of lemon juice. I'm using around 5 lemons, but it depends on the size of your lemons. So you're probably wondering why the peel's missing. It's actually because we've just started making our limoncello, and we've used all of the peel for that. No waste in this house. So there's quite a few pips coming out of that, so I'm going to have to strain it. But keep all of your pips to grow your own lemon tree. Don't forget to keep stirring that syrup when you're doing the lemons. Otherwise you'll end up with crystallised sugar on the bottom, which is no good for lemonade. Now that it's dissolved, you can turn the heat off and let it cool. So my hands are really hurting from doing this, but it's definitely going to be worth it. Who doesn't love lemonade? So it's just under a cup, tiny bit under, but it's more than enough. Don't put your lemons in the bin, put them straight in the compost. I've just added 3 cups of cold water to the lemon juice. If you prefer the lemonade fizzy, instead of adding your 3 cups of normal water, you can add 3 cups of sparkling water. Now I'm going to pour the simple syrup into the jug. I'm going to add a few lemon wedges in. So you can either serve it straight away with ice and slice of lemon. If you haven't got any ice, just pop it straight in the fridge for 30 minutes and it'll be perfect.